After 3 days of testimony, the state has rested its murder case against former Fort Worth police officer Aaron Dean. The state's final witness in Dean's murder trial testified about the crime scene, followed by Atatiana Jefferson's sister. Fox 4's Dion Anglin has more of today's testimony live from Fort Worth. Dion.
Hi there, Steve. Well, the state has rested its case, and that after a full day's testimony that focused mainly on forensic evidence and the medical examiner findings. It ended with one of Atatiana Jefferson's siblings. Well, crime scene investigators testified, explaining photos and high-tech 3D scans created from the shooting aftermath. They looked at various angles of the home on East Allen in Fort Worth, the residence where Atatiana Jefferson lived, caring for her nephew while her mother was in the hospital. Prosecutors also showed jurors the gun Jefferson removed from her purse when she heard a noise in her backyard, as well as Aaron Dean's service weapon. Dean fired a single shot through a backyard window while responding to the address because a neighbor reported the doors were open late at night. The defense has said Dean saw Jefferson point her gun at him. That's something the prosecution disputes. The state's final witness was Ashley Carr, Atatiana's oldest sister. She described photos of Atatiana and spoke about her sister's aspirations to become a doctor.
But then when we started getting, our mother started becoming ill, she decided that it would be best for her to move home to help my mother, because it was a long drive from Dallas to Fort Worth of her coming out here to help, as well as for her to start saving so that she can go to medical school. She wanted to find the cure of diabetes, because she's had it since she was very young.
Well, Tarrant County's deputy medical examiner also testified. He told the jury about autopsy findings. He also said Jefferson's injury, a gunshot wound to the chest, was clearly too devastating to survive. Now, it is the defense team's turn to put on its case. However, their opening witnesses are not prepared to testify right away, noting that the state rested sooner than expected today. And with that, the judge has called the case the trial into recess until Monday. It's the very latest live in Fort Worth. Steve, Heather, back to you.
Okay. Dion Anglin, thank you very much.